Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today, if you're in Donnistan, we happen to have one of our supercharged Godzilla combinations. This thing's a little bit detailed to the customer's needs. This happens to be going into an off-road racing truck. I believe it's the NRRA series trucks. This thing is going to be through some serious abuse over its lifetime. I have to talk to the guy on the phone a few minutes ago. On this package, we happen to set this thing up to run the Indy Power Products dry sump system and their brand new 10-rib pulley system for the Whipple. And let me tell you, this thing does exactly what we were asking for it to do. The earlier versions of these motors that came with the 6-rib would just spin out belts left and right every time you got into a smaller pulley, trying to make some good boost with it. There isn't a nick on this belt after 5 dyno passes, and this thing is absolutely beautiful. If you're interested in having a Godzilla Supercharged motor designed for your ride, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over dyno run.
All right, Jay, gonna make a final pass on your motor. Runs fantastic. We're ready to roll.